everybody. Today I wanted to show a kind of a menu, a food menu text expander snippet that I created in order to send an email that was basically a menu to a friend of mine who every few weeks or so would cook for me. So in today's video, I wanted to show how I created this menu. So let's get started. First, we're going to open a TextExpander snippet, a new one. We're going to open it, and then here's the new one, and let's say, hi David. So the first thing I put in this menu is the style of the cuisine. So I did and so I changed to give it rich text formatting, and I underlined it and made it bold. So here's the first item. I removed this underlining section, and I removed the bold style. So the first item was a fill-in, and I chose I believe it was a pop-up menu. Yes. So the name of this was style. And then first option said American. Mexican is the second cuisine style, and then I added more. I said Chinese, and let's do one more here. Korean. So here was the style of the cuisine that I would have created for me. And these were the options. Next was the meat, but I skipped a line. I said meat. And then again, I chose the pop-up menu. And I'm going to call it meat 1 because I got 2 meat options. Chicken. Pork. I never chose pork because I just don't eat pork, but it's going to be one of the options for the purposes of this video. And fish. That was the first menu. And then I said, and unfold this. And then meat 2. Oh, whoops. Okay. This and then the second menu, another fill-in option, and choose pop-up menu again. And then it's meat 2. I put the same menu in. I don't remember the order, but it was beef. Actually, chicken. Beef. Pork. And fish. That was the second meat item of the menu. And when we complete this menu, I will show you how all of them worked. So let's do vegetable sides. So oops. And again, the pop-up menu under fill-ins. Say one corn. Excuse the spelling. Alright, you get the idea of the broccoli, excuse me, of the vegetable menu. Now, instead of recreating this menu again, since we have two um, vegetable options that we can select, I'm going to hit OK for this pop-up menu and simply select it, copy this, go to the end, type and then paste it here, and then try to edit this, edit the menu, and just give it a different name. So vegetable 1, I'm going to call this vegetable 2. And hit OK. There you have it. You get the same menu, but it'll appear twice. Now we have other sides. Bold, other sides. Again, go to fill-ins, pop-up menu, and hit type other sides 1 and give your options. This is just the name that you will see is given to the menu as a whole. Not the menu as a whole, but that particular section of the menu. So here I would have rice, mac and cheese, couscous, for example. Again, excuse the spelling. I'm gonna hit OK. And then I'm gonna copy this, copy the menu, go to the end, hit space, type and paste the same menu, except give it another title, and call it other sides 2, for example, and hit OK. And then I added something like other notes or other details. This was just something that I would add to the end of my email. And that'll be that. And then I'll give it a label, call it menu 3, and give it an abbreviation. Let's call it semicolon food. And then I'm going to hit the preview button just to make sure that it took. Yep. Alright. So, I'm going to hit OK. And now we will try it. So I'm going to open up, let's see, a Word document, for example. Let's open up a Word document. Like that. And let's give this menu a try. Alright, so I'm going to type in the abbreviation, which we did was semicolon food. And here we go. Here's the menu that you have to select from. So you would select, let's say I want Korean or Chinese. Yeah, Chinese. I want beef, okay, and I want chicken. Then I want green beans, broccoli, and cauliflower. And I want couscous, mac and cheese, for example. Obviously, in a real example, and not just for the video, there'd be a lot more options in each section. And then I would, the other details would stay blank because that is not a menu. And I would hit OK. And I'd see this this email all of a sudden appear, and I would add something like, please deliver by Friday night. And if this was my email, this would be ready to go as an email, because I would expand the snippet right there in my email platform. Alright guys, well that's what I have for today. I hope you enjoyed this feature, seeing this feature in action of TextExpander. If you'd like to use TextExpander, try it out and use my code for a 20% discount. That'll be in the description down below. Alright guys, I'll talk to you in the next video.